Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
In this video, I will show how to check BMW X3 oil level only ways. Park on level ground, warm the engine briefly, turn it off, wait 5 minutes, open the hood, locate the dipstick, wipe it clean, reinsert fully, pull it again, and read the oil mark between the min and max. Check oil color and smell for contamination, and add the recommended BMW oil slowly if below the safe range, then recheck to confirm level and avoid overfilling. Keep simple tools, rag, funnel, and proper oil bottle, plus gloves if desired, and a flashlight for visibility. Start with the engine warm but not hot, and always park on level ground. When you remove the dipstick, inspect oil level, color, and texture, then top off in small increments. Avoid overfilling and allow oil to settle between checks so the reading is accurate and safe for your engine. Enjoy smoother drives. Quick recommendation: if you enjoy concise car guides, consider the Kindle Paperwhite for reading manuals and service tips on the go with great battery life and screen clarity. If this video helps you, please subscribe and like so I can make more useful content, and tell me your experience below. Check the description for the Kindle Paperwhite link and other deals. Thanks for watching. Now let's get back to the video. Avoid common mistakes like checking on steep slopes, reading immediately after shutdown, or guessing oil type. Don't rely on electronic sensors alone. Confirm with the dipstick if your X3 has one. If you need to add oil, use the BMW specified grade and pour slowly, then recheck. For unusual smells or metal flakes, stop driving and consult a mechanic promptly to prevent engine damage and expensive repairs. Please.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.